Finished ordering your meal on Uber Eats? Let's learn how to log out of the app on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to log out of the Uber Eats app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Uber Eats app on your iPhone. Tap on the account option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner of your display. Here, you can find the sign out option. Tap on it. Finally, tap on the confirm sign out option and log out of Uber Eats app. And this is how you can log out of Uber Eats app on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.